Oh, let's see here. Wow, whoops. Hey, this is Nick Robertson with TRG Financial. Greetings. We're just grateful to come before you this evening, and I just want to share some things with you. You see, as a pastor, oftentimes we are juggling a lot of different jobs, tasks, people, situations, circumstances, and sometimes things drop. We drop things. And so I want to come to you tonight, to our pastors. If you're a pastor, or if you're viewing this and you have a pastor, or you know a pastor, I would suggest that you would forward this short video to the pastor. I want to announce to you on March the 7th, 2020, the TRG Financial will be sponsoring a pastor, servant, and leaders meeting here in the metro Atlanta area from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. We have assembled some of the industry leaders covering about 5 to 6 different topics that I think that will be beneficial for your ministry, to help you, also to share with you on how to save money, how to redirect money, how to cut costs without cutting benefits. Valuable information that would probably cost you probably $2,000 to attend and to gain all the knowledge that you're going to walk away with on March the 7th, 2020. Here are some of the topics, and we're going to have 6 to 7 different people talking about this particular subject, or their particular subject in which they work in day and night and have been in the industry perhaps 15 to 20 years. They're owners and operators. They start from scratch, many of them. And the first topic that we'll be discussing on March the 7th, 2020 will be church accounting. Church accounting. And I know a lot of churches do a great job in, counting the offering and having an accounting process or procedure or software in place to make sure that the books are in line. But just in case you don't, we're going to have someone there with background in accounting. It's going to talk about church accounting, the checks and the balances to ensure financial integrity. The second topic is pre-need planning. Pre-need planning. And that's dealing with planning and funding for one's funeral before death. And so someone will be talking to you about the importance of sharing this information with members in your congregation. Maybe some elderly people, or people maybe have some health conditions. And so it will talk to you about the need of pre-planning. The third area will be church insurance. Church insurance is going to deal with the actual structure or the building, and then also the contents inside, and then the liability issue, and then the components of trustee, officers, directors coverage. Also coverage for sexual misconduct. We want to make sure that you don't have any holes and gaps in your coverage. So someone will talk about church insurance. The next area is church real estate. Buying and selling real estate. Things you must know. Things you must know. Someone from that industry will be talking about real estate, buying and selling. The next area is church financing. Church financing. What do you do when the bank says no? And so there's be someone to talk to you about, speak on that subject. What do you do when the bank says no? Does no mean no? And so I'm inviting you to come. I'm inviting you to invite someone to come along with you. It's going to be some valuable information that these industry leaders are going to pour into you. My God, you need to be there. You should be there. Mark your calendar. March 7th, 2020. And the last component, the last topic is ministers compensation, and housing allowance. What you should know about it. And so I encourage you again to come. Let me go over the topics again. Church accounting, church or pre-need planning, church insurance, church real estate, church financing, and then ministers compensation. Did I mention to you that this workshop, this meeting is absolutely free? The only thing it's going to cost you is your time. I invite you to come meet this team that's going to pour into you some very valuable, valuable information to help you and equip you in areas in your ministry so that you can do what you need to do and focus in on what you need to do as a pastor. Again, we jug a lot of balls, and then all of a sudden we drop some every now and then. So I invite you to come, be a part, and enjoy the information. Bring a lot of paper and pens because it's going to be a lot of information that's going to be provided to you. Take care. God bless you. And again, come and be with us on March the 7th, 2020 for Pastor, Servant, and Leaders meeting. God bless you. May there be peace be within thy walls and prosperity within thy palaces. God bless you. Have a smile upon you. Bye-bye.